Hello, my name is Dante, and I am calling from South Florida. And today my question is about Shopify. So I did pick up some shares of Shopify for about $10.65 a share earlier this week. I know we are entering this unpredictable and very unstable environment when it comes to interest rates. I just want to get your opinion on whether you guys think this was a good entry level for a long-term hold with the whole Christmas shopping season being incorporated into the next earnings report and hopefully looking promising, or if this is a situation where the risk just outweighs the reward.
Let's go to Mike Coe on Shopify, which, Mike, if you zoom out and look at a 5-year chart of this stock, it's been on a monster run, and yet it's been declining pretty much since November, which has taken it down in terms of the 12-month performance. What do you do next?
Say here sort of hit on the critical theme, which is that, you know, this is a company that's trading at a pretty lofty valuation, and that just isn't in favor. That's not a knock on their business model. And actually, I think I could sort of see why he was picking it up around this level. I mean, if you take a look, it might have looked like we were hitting an area where there could potentially be some measure of support, but on a risk-reward basis, you know, the high valuation names are just kind of a sticky, tricky place to be, I think, in this first quarter, and I'd probably avoid this one. But you've already had a win, so it's not going to be painful to get out. Right.
Nice move up today as well. So what is the right valuation for a company like this, Steve, in this environment? It's trading at, you know, more than 140 times next year's earnings. Like, what level does it need to be at to be with a market that's pricing in 4 interest rate hikes next year or this year?
Yeah, I think it's impossible to come down to an exact level as far as PE ratio. I think you're better off looking, as he did, at the technicals. And by the way, he picked it up at an extraordinary price. He went back to, I think you said this in the entry to the question, he picked it up on the May support levels. So this stock has price swings on a daily basis of between $60 and $100. This is one, to Mike's point, that you want to trade, not invest in, because if that support breaks, you're talking about a drastically lower stock price, but he can make a lot of money literally day trading the stock.